People, e don finally burst. So as e start right now, they say the whole Nigerians don stand up come talk say the APC government and Nigeria government should explain wetin dey carry put for inside ground. Say Buhari wey dey know die 2017 for street. So na wetin everybody dey talk. This one e don red. Make we go hear wetin the general public dey talk concerning this new Buhari death matter. E don burst. Nnamdi Kanu don burst the table finally.
Buhari have no good record in Nigeria, and may his soul not rest in peace, because the thing you do to a heartless man is to give him punishment. Buhari deserve big punishment.
That Nigeria declare public holiday as though Buhari is an hero that fought for the betterment of the country.
He's an hero.
Meaning that Nigeria is calling evil good and good evil. That's what they are calling. Because somebody like Buhari will die and they are declaring public holiday to mourn who? How can we mourn Buhari? Buhari that's the foundation of Tinubu. You begin to mourn him. That means when Tinubu will die.
Anything good? I don't have any good thing to say about Buhari, because from the day they born Buhari, Buhari is a waste. It's a waste product. When he was alive, it's a waste. Even when Buhari became a civilian president, he did worse than when he was a military president. So I've not seen anything good. Look at the country; things are getting difficult. People are dying everywhere.
So no good thing.
No.
The person die. People they say good thing about the president.
Boko Haram.
I bring about change. Change will no end.
When the person die, people go say good thing about the person.
I no get good thing to talk about Buhari. I no get one good thing to talk about Buhari. One.
One better than today. Then they bury woman being 2 times. No verse. Now you are the ass. Then they bury woman being 2 times. Even Jesus himself died. Now one day them bury him. I don't understand this kind of thing. What they do for this country. I tell you, say the problem we will get
blame them. It's like Buhari now from Muslim want to become a Christian pattern, because Bible says in Revelation that they have second death. The Buhari now die first death. This is second death. It happened for my front that this is second death of Buhari, Muhammad Buhari, former president of Nigeria.
Second death.
Yeah, second death.
I help with that.
Yeah. So now that second death, now that they celebrate today.
All right. Now, thank you so much for your time.
The one.
Which other evidence are you looking for? His minister said that he can no longer speak his mother's tongue just because he underwent surgical operation. Is that possible, my brother? It's a very simple question. People should stop deceiving us and deceiving the public. Thank you.
In what area, sir?
You are asking for evidence and proof.
That the former president died.
His minister, Mkotila Mohammed, said in the public domain that because of the surgery, that he can no longer speak his mother's tongue. Is that medically possible? I'm asking you, the media man.
Medically, some people lose their memory after.
To the extent that you cannot speak your mother's tongue.
It's possible. It has happened before.
I rest my case. Thank you.
All right.
The only thing is that is better than the one that we are seeing now. That is the only thing that I have to say.
What is better than this, Tinubu?
Yes, no.
In what way? Can you, when people die, people go say good thing. He did this, he did that.
No, he tried. So as for mine, that is on time. At least rice is not up to 100,000. Is try. Fuel is not up to this amount now. So all those things are good things that.
But you see, Buhari is a rogue. Buhari is a rogue. He's a I don't know where to put himself. No, I don't. Even before he asked me, I said nothing. No. Even a child inside stomach is crying. He's angry about his leadership.
All right.
I believe my mother. What my mother said. Now, when Buhari became a civilian president, he did worse than when he was a military president. So I've not seen anything good. Look at the country; things are getting difficult. People are dying everywhere.
So no good thing.
No.
The person die. People they say good thing about the president.
Boko Haram. They invented Boko Haram. Where
Absolutely shameful. Boris Johnson, what's he doing? He's doing nothing. Buhari is dead. Buhari died in London in February 2017.
That's right.
He died in London in 2017. So why do you still put this charade out that Buhari's coming to London? Buhari's coming for medical treatment. The man died in 2017.
Yes.
And when that comes out, seriously, the UK will look the biggest fools on earth. The death certificate's there. It's all written.
That's right.
There's proof he died in London. He's buried in Saudi Arabia. And yet you keep that quiet as well. How can you keep quiet that a president of a country died 4 years ago and you're still portraying him coming here for hospital treatment? Is that not a farce?
Cover up.
It's a total cover-up. A total corrupt cover-up by a totally corrupt...
How many world leaders have paid condolence visits or sent condolence message since Sunday? How many world leaders? Please, somebody answer me. How many world leaders? You mean they've not had, Abi? No, they've not had. That was what Nnamdi Kanu said. That 2 years after he leaves office, the real truth will come out. That's the truth. I was asking a question. How come, Mr. Mazi, listen very well. How come when Buhari came back from UK from his sick leave, Abi?
We are not privy to why she may have traveled.
The wife relocated to Dubai. Are you not supposed to be nursing your sick husband who came back from sickness? Is it not important? No, tell me it did not happen. Tell me now.
But the point is, whatever we are saying here, the president's family has a right to their privacy, and rather than begin to unearth what we cannot really hold on to,
substantiate.
The best bet is for us to just sympathize with these people in this hour of need and let them soak, and then maybe pray for them to have that fortitude. Because no matter how old you are, even as a father, your child will not want you to die. And no matter how old you are, as a woman married to you, will not wish you dead. And so, the woman is mourning now, and wherever she is, she can be visited. And I'm sure that she will accompany the corpse home to Katsina today. And so, whatever it is, let them continue to sympathize with her and also give her the courage to be able to withstand this kind of calamity that has befallen her. So maybe we should rest that.
You remember,
still has something to say.
You remember my Bible say you shall know the truth, and the truth shall set you free. If what you are saying now is the thing that happened, the right thing, if it is, in fact, if that is the situation, nobody will break head over these things now. But when they have created some doubt in the minds of people, why won't you look at what the people are saying so that we cannot continue on this trajectory? How many world leaders have paid condolence visits or sent condolence message since Sunday? How many world leaders? Please, somebody answer me. How many world leaders? You mean they've not had, Abi? No, they've not had. Anyway, let's go to another topic.
2017, now Buhari died. On the high down. Buhari died 2017.
He died 2017, according to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu.
According to
Yes.
but he just died.
No. That one is second burial. Maybe they will move something and bury man. He's a wicked man. Our Messiah have already said it.
Say Buhari don't die.
2017.
2017, Buhari died.
He died 2017. So who is deceiving who? Nigeria are deceiving themselves. They are deceiving themselves. Nigeria, they are deceiving themselves.
The man they call Buhari now is not Buhari, it's Jubrin. And today, everything is playing out. We are seeing everything. We are Annam.
So who did they bury today?
No, nobody wanted them. If you want to know whether me and they talk truth or lie, if they bring that gasket and make the open whether whether our body there inside or sick or something where they can with them inside there. You know they tell you. I don't hear they die for hunger. They tell you. No one going to spray for them. Use and chop. Now use and they go do nonsense.
We are mourning a long time ago now. Are we going to mourn 2 times?
No, today is the morning they declare public holiday for the former president.
That is for them. As you can see, I'm doing.
Hiding. When Nnamdi Kanu say something 2017, being January 1st, 21st, that Muhammad Buhari is no more to be found, is dead and buried in Saudi Arabia. Then, do you hear Saudi Arabia government in towns Nnamdi Kanu say, Oga, come and defend the false information that they give their country? You don't hear it? The Nigerian government, did you see here Nigerian government come defend it? Come prove Nnamdi Kanu say, Oga, you're a liar, this and that. He still open it to them, say, Oga, put.
So Buhari don't die before?
Why not? We had the news before, and this is not the first time.
Population is no news.
Look at one thing. One thing you have to know. One thing you have to know. Whenever they say that somebody dies, and the person that is in question could not come up and say, "I'm alive," which means automatically he have died. Since he couldn't come out that time to say,
I've seen recently 9 died.
Buhari don't die since.
For long, now that man don't die. You see, during that time when they for seat, where things come they go turn upside down for this country when me and you did, this our country. Now that time when me, myself, I find out say Buhari don't die. Without person telling me say don't die, me I know say don't die. So anything where person will come back and tell say, recently where Buhari died, they won't do it better, they can't declare. Today, they won't better than today. Then they bury woman being 2 times. No verse, now you are the ass. Then they bury woman being 2 times. Even Jesus himself died, now one day they bury him. I don't understand this kind of thing what they do for this country. I tell you, say the problem we will get for this our country, now our leaders and the cause them. I then go the carry person who don't old, they put for seat, we in brain, no go there.
My people, una don see all the whole truth concerning this Buhari matter. Abeg make una share this video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section. Nigeria is a movie industry. Everybody is playing along, but let me tell you, it go over all of us.